Well, this is a first, a Fitbit with no display. I've just been sent a pre-release model of the brand new Fitbit Air. Thank you, Google Canada. In this video, we'll be unboxing and geeking out about Fitbit's latest wearable. It comes in 4 different colors: obsidian, black, berry, reddish pink, fog, which is greenish gray, and this one, which I thought was blue, but turns out it is lavender, so purple-ish. The box contents is somewhat minimalist. Inside, you will find the proprietary charger, more on that in a second, as well as the getting started guide and full product documentation. That charger that comes with this one is a proprietary one, so don't lose it, but it is also somewhat magic because the battery life on Fitbit Air is apparently 7 full days. However, if you plug your Fitbit into that charger for just 5 minutes, you'll get a full day of battery charge. Here's a better look at the Lavender band and the actual fitness tracker itself. This is an extremely lightweight tracker weighing just 5.2 grams. It has an optical heart rate sensor with AFib irregular rhythm detection, red and infrared sensors for blood oxygen tracking, and a dedicated sensor for tracking skin temperature changes while you're sleeping. And because this is actually very comfortable to wear, you might actually use it while you're sleeping. As you can see, it is very quick to put on and swap in and out that pebble, so you could use it with different style bands. That's a quick intro to the Fitbit Air. Let me know what you think and what questions you have so I can try to answer those when I work on my full review.